So my name is Kudakwashe Murinda. I am a third-year PhD candidate from Zimbabwe, and right now I am in the School of Biomedical Sciences. One obstacle I did face when I first came here was getting used to the different accents that people had. I was in a place where there were people from different countries, different continents, and everyone speaks so differently, so it took me a while to get used to that. How I have managed to make friends is by acknowledging that there are really different people around me and seeing the beauty in everyone. In my department, we're bonded by the PhD that we're all doing. And when you're around people for a long time, you start to get to know them a bit better, and that goes beyond what you're studying. So we start to talk about what type of music you like, what type of food you like. And a lot of times you find that we have a lot of things in common, even though we're from different places. It is amazing to see how people are different and yet have so much in common. I have a lot of experiences that I cherish from the time at HSC. One of them would definitely be meeting people from different places in the world. I have learned to say hello in a couple of different languages. We have potlucks where people bring in different foods from all over the world, and you find foods that you like. I absolutely love those. And also just seeing that, opening my horizons to different things and seeing that the world is a broader place than I was used to.